Alright, so here we have another pyramid. Now looking at the base, this is a square. Okay, it's a square pyramid. So that means the big B is going to be area of the square. Now looking at the picture, they also give me the slant height, which I don't need that for a pyramid, for volume of a pyramid. I need to know the height, which goes straight from the apex and it's perpendicular to the base. So this makes a right angle. So now looking at the picture, everybody should see that I have a right triangle there. We all see that? Now, since that makes a right triangle, that means I can do the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. Well, you know that this length is 12. I want to figure out the height. This length is going to be half the measure of the parallel side. Well, what's parallel to this length? 6. What's half of 6? 3. So this length is 3. So now I know this is 3, that's 12. I can find the height. So remember, C is always across from the 90-degree angle, so that's going to be my C. And the other ones are A and B. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So 12 squared equals X squared plus 3 squared. 12 squared is 144. 3 squared is 9. We're going to subtract the 9 from the 144, which gives me 135. That equals X squared. And then lastly, we take the square root of 135. X is 11.6. So I know my height is 11.6. Well, now that I know big B and the H, like the height of the pyramid, I can find the volume. So volume is the same formula, 1/3 big V times H. Now big B is area of a square, which is base times height of the square, or you could just do the side length squared, whichever one will be fine. And just to show you it's the same thing, base and height of my square is 6 and 6, well that's 36. Or if you just did the side squared, because it's a square, 6 squared is also 36. So that's our big B. So 1/3 of 36 times 11.6. Volume is going to equal 139.2.